Josh Rucker, and welcome to today's vlog adventure. Today we're gonna go on an adventure to a barbecue place over in Burleson, Texas. You know how I always tell you guys to go after your dreams and goals, work hard at life, man. Guess what I just did? So I'm sure you guys have seen my red truck in my other videos. Well, I just traded it and I got this bad boy. Uh-oh. I just got a new 220 Chevy Trax truck, man. It's a small SUV. I love it. Well, let's take you inside and check it out. All right, so here we are inside. Of course, I got my hand controls. It's all black inside. Right here, this is the reverse camera. I'll show you guys in a minute. Got the little back seat, little like trunk area right there. The wife puts the chair in so we don't get the car all dirty or scratched up right now. But dude, this thing is amazing. Plus, it has a push button. Check this out. You gotta push the brake in, push the little button. Start the car. Now just wait. When I back up, you're gonna see it in the camera. I always wanted a little camera in my car. Look at that. That is so cool. Here we are. Hard 8 barbecue, baby. Let's go enjoy. This is the barbecue place, man. Wow.
They have bacon wrap.
They're doing it right there. Okay, well, here's the feast. Look at that bad boy. Woo. It's over like 3 pounds right there of food. There's a stuffed brisket potato. You got pulled pork, ribs, corn, got a salad, some mac and cheese. Oh yeah, I forgot about the chicken poppers. Well, the brisket's gone, or actually, I'm sorry, the pulled pork. Half ribs, or half pound of ribs already ate. Got 2 more to go. Got this half pound of brisket. Some mac and cheese and some jalapeno cream corn. Delicious. Well, that was good. Kind of expensive, but really good. Ate the heck out of it.